time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today. It traded in a sideways manner for most part of the day. It traded with a positive bias, ending the day with a 60-point gain on the Nifty today. The highlight of the day was the small cap and the mid cap index. The small cap index closed up 7% and the mid cap index closed up 4.5% in today's trading session. In the Nifty, from the Nifty 50 pack, Infosys, TCS and ITC were some of the losers today, while Reliance, ONGC, L&T and State Bank of India were some of the Nifty heavyweights who provided support to the market. The advance decline ratio was pretty impressive, with 1277 advances to only 254 declines. In today's trading session, the highlight was, as I said earlier, the small cap and the mid cap index. GMR Infra, Reliance Infra, JP Power, the smaller PSU banks like Allahabad Bank gained in trade today with a tune of around 15 to 20%, and that is a huge move. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has traded in a sideways manner for most part of the day, with 70 to 90 on the upside acting as a resistance, while the 20-day, while the 20-hour moving average acting as a crucial support for the Nifty. We expect the rally in Nifty to continue, barring today was the first day after Friday's trading session. We expected a sideways consolidation type of trading, which actually happened today, and the Nifty traded in a sideways narrow range kind of a manner, and we saw stock specific action, as we pointed out in our earlier update, that we would continue to see stock specific action, but the Nifty might just trade in a sideways or consolidate in a sideways manner for some more trading sessions. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty was barely moving. It was moving in a sideways manner for most part of the day, around a 20-hour moving average, which is placed at 7233. So 7233 is a crucial support for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions, and below that 7188 is a crucial support, while resistance, that is today's high, that is 7290, will be acting as a crucial resistance, and if that is passed, then we can see further rally in the Nifty in tomorrow's trading session. 7290, today's high, is a crucial support for the crucial resistance for the Nifty in tomorrow's trading session. Above that 7400 shall act as a resistance. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as shown here, has already achieved its equality target, and it is way above that, which means that we are currently seeing further extension in the price on the upside. We expect the rally in Bank Nifty to continue, as we saw today. Stocks like Punjab National Bank gaining close to 12%, stocks like State Bank of India gaining around 6% in today's trading session, and the small PSU banks gaining close to 5 to 10% in today's trading session. So all this indicates that we are nowhere close to nearing a top or a crucial resistance in the banking stocks, and so we expect the rally in Bank Nifty also can continue on the upside. Crucial supports are placed at 15,032 and 14,787, and crucial resistance for Bank Nifty is placed at 15,742 and 16,030 odd levels on the upside. Our view on the Nifty remains positive in the short term, with a target of 7,500 on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.